I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Begin by drawing an oval 3.5 inches tall for the penguin body centered on your paper. Place a circle for the head that equals 1/4 the body height and overlap it slightly with the oval. Keep pencil pressure light so you can erase later and refine lines. Mark a vertical center line and a horizontal eye line to guide placement of features accurately. Add 2 small rounded triangles 1/2 inch wide as flippers at the side. Place eyes 3/4 inch apart on the head along the horizontal eye line you drew earlier. For a cute look, draw large circular eyes with small highlight circles inside each iris. Add a short beak 1/2 inch long below the eyes with a 25% downward tilt for a playful expression. Sketch an oval belly patch that equals 2/3 the body width and center it inside the body oval for contrast. Shade the back, head top, and flippers with soft pencil strokes, leaving the belly white for strong contrast. Use light layers of graphite or gray marker to build smooth gradients and preserve texture. Color the beak and feet a warm orange using light layers to create depth without harsh lines. Add tiny blush circles 1/4 inch in diameter on each cheek for extra cuteness and balance. Finally, outline key lines with a fine pen and erase stray pencil marks to finish cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.